Nifty soars, bull market gains momentum amid low VIX and positive sentiment. This Tuesday morning, Gifty Nifty has shot higher and out of the gate, indicating a bullish day out for benchmark Nifty. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty and its stocks can only gain with the VIX falling to such extreme low levels. All bullish eyes on Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's 7th consecutive union budget, which shall trickle in probably in second half of July. As part of pre-budget consultations, FM Sitharaman is scheduled to meet representatives from industry associations on 20th June evening. The street is hoping that the economic strategy shall include initiatives to accelerate reforms and, most importantly, aim to transform India into a $5 trillion economy and achieve its mission of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2176 crores and 656 crores respectively. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating higher highs lows. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,700 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 12.82 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.16 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.02. Nifty outlook, all bullish eyes on Nifty's 23,490.40 and more to come. Nifty, CMP 23466. Support, 23,350 to 23,250. Resistance, 23,600 to 23,700. Range, 23,350 to 23,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50002. Support, 49,800 to 49,700. Resistance, 50,500 to 50,700. Range, 49,800 to 50,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. The positive takeaway from last week's trade was that Nifty printed new record high at 23,490.40 mark. Sensex too hit a new peak at 77,145.45. We will say the most striking positive development for Nifty and our stock markets was that the gains came despite US Federal Reserve intending to cut rates only once by 25 basis points this year instead of the two that the consensus earlier had. Interestingly, Nifty trading at all-time highs is evoking an amount of curiosity, enthusiasm and/or even from the perma-bull camp. The three positive catalysts. 1. Lower inflation numbers. India's retail inflation at 12-month low eases to 4.75% in May. 2. Robust growth outlook. India to remain fastest growing economy to log 6.7% GDP growth in next 3 years, World Bank. 3. In the week gone by, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of 2,031 crores rupees. Bottom line, the bull market at Dalal Street now seems to be unstoppable and, most importantly, is flashing signs that Nifty could hit another all-time high. Long story short, the benchmark Nifty still appears to be the only bullish deal in the town.